If your mornings often feel uneventful and uninspiring, introducing a cup of clove tea can bring a refreshing change. This beverage, with its warm and inviting flavors reminiscent of winter, can transform your routine. But clove tea offers more than just a pleasant taste. It's packed with health benefits. It has properties that can alleviate hangovers and promote a youthful appearance. Embracing a daily habit of drinking clove tea opens up a world of enjoyable and beneficial experiences. 1. Manage diabetes more effectively. For those dealing with diabetes, clove tea can be a helpful ally. A study in the Journal of Natural Medicines highlighted that clove extracts significantly reduced blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. It also improved insulin sensitivity and lowered oxidative stress. Cloves in the tea slow down sugar absorption in the blood, preventing sudden sugar spikes and crashes. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, clove tea aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Whenever you're tempted by sweets but concerned about sugar, consider opting for a cup of clove tea. It's a practical way to help manage your blood sugar and contribute to your overall health. 2. Promote digestive well-being. Clove tea can significantly enhance digestive health. Eugenol, found in cloves, stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes assist in breaking down food more efficiently and easing indigestion symptoms. The comforting flavor of clove tea also relaxes your gastrointestinal muscles, aiding the digestion process. Moreover, clove tea provides relief from various stomach issues, including nausea and bloating. Research has shown that clove extract can alleviate these symptoms by reducing inflammation in the stomach and intestines. Think of clove tea as a soothing remedy for your digestive system, ensuring smoother digestion and relief from common stomach discomforts. 3. Boost your immune health. Frequent illnesses can be frustrating, but clove tea offers a solution. It's a tasty drink that can fortify your immune system. Cloves, the main ingredient, are full of antioxidants like eugenol. These antioxidants protect your cells and strengthen your immune response. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents that help your immune system by keeping inflammation in check. This allows your body to focus on fighting real health threats. Clove tea's antimicrobial qualities also play a crucial role in defending against bacteria and viruses. Regularly enjoying clove tea can empower your immune system to be more robust and efficient. 4. Assist in weight management. Clove tea emerges as an effective partner for those on a weight loss journey. It plays a crucial role in boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. The active components in cloves are known for their thermogenic properties, meaning they help increase the body's metabolic rate. This leads to more efficient calorie burning. Additionally, clove tea can help in reducing hunger, offering a feeling of fullness, which in turn reduces the craving for unhealthy snacks. A significant study in the Journal of Food and Function highlighted clove extract's ability to reduce obesity in mice on a high-fat diet. This effect is attributed to the extract's capacity to inhibit fat absorption in the intestines and increase fat metabolism efficiency. It's important to note that for weight loss purposes, adding sugar to clove tea is not recommended. Thus, clove tea can be a supportive element in achieving weight loss goals with its dual action of boosting metabolism and suppressing appetite. 5. Improve skin health. Clove tea offers multiple benefits for skin health, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in clove tea act as protectors against skin damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to signs of aging like wrinkles. At the same time, its anti-inflammatory effects help in reducing skin redness and puffiness, enhancing the overall appearance and health of your skin. The warm steam from a cup of clove tea also provides a relaxing and spa-like experience for your face, similar to a facial sauna. When you feel your skin needs a boost, a cup of clove tea can be a simple yet effective way to rejuvenate and care for your skin. 6. Promote better sleep. Cloves and their component, eugenol, have shown potential in improving sleep. Studies indicate that eugenol has a calming effect on the central nervous system, which can help in achieving restful sleep. Research also suggests that eugenol can reduce anxiety, often linked to sleep disturbances like insomnia. The soothing warmth of a cup of hot clove tea further creates a relaxing atmosphere conducive to good sleep. The comforting qualities of clove tea can be seen as a natural method to ease into a state of deep, rejuvenating sleep. Embrace the tranquilizing nature of clove tea to enjoy nights of peaceful and uninterrupted rest. 7. Enhance liver detoxification. Think of your liver as an essential organ working tirelessly to filter out toxins and impurities from your body. Clove tea can be a valuable support in this process. It acts like an assistant to your liver, helping it work even better. When you drink clove tea daily, you assist your liver in keeping harmful toxins away. This tea has special ingredients that boost bile production, which is crucial for the liver to break down and remove toxins efficiently. Regular consumption of clove tea can significantly improve your liver's ability to detoxify your body. Including clove tea in your daily routine is a practical way to enhance your liver's health and its detoxification process. 8. Support oral hygiene. Clove tea is beneficial for oral health, known for its effectiveness against bad breath, toothaches, and certain oral infections. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, serves as a natural antiseptic and anesthetic, offering relief from toothache pain and maintaining oral freshness. Incorporating clove tea into your daily routine adds a pleasant twist to your tea drinking experience. It's easy to prepare and can be enjoyed both warm and cold. Whether relaxing indoors on a cold day or outside on a warm day, a cup of clove tea is a delightful choice. Drinking clove tea is not only enjoyable, but also offers a simple way to enhance your oral hygiene, making it a beneficial addition to your daily habits. 9. Improve cognitive functions. Drinking clove tea can positively impact cognitive function. Antioxidants and other compounds in cloves act as protective agents for the brain, shielding it from damage and inflammation. A notable study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that cloves improved memory and cognitive function in rats with Alzheimer's disease. This improvement was linked to a decrease in the formation of amyloid plaques, which are detrimental to brain health. Clove tea, therefore, offers a simple and natural way to potentially enhance brain functions, making it a valuable addition to a cognitive health-focused diet. 10. Alleviate joint discomfort. Clove tea can be like a personal helper for your joints, keeping them flexible and free from pain. If you often experience joint discomfort or hear cracking sounds, clove tea might be beneficial. Cloves contain powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. These properties work together to reduce joint inflammation and ease pain. This can be especially helpful for those with joint-related conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and gout. Regularly drinking clove tea may help in lessening joint pain and potentially slow down the progression of these conditions. 11. Support heart health. Clove tea is also beneficial for cardiovascular health, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Scientific research has shown that clove extract can effectively reduce levels of total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while simultaneously increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels. In addition, studies on hypertensive rats revealed that clove extract has a blood pressure lowering effect, highlighting its potential in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Regularly drinking clove tea can be a pleasurable way to contribute to heart health. However, it's important to remember that maintaining heart health also involves regular physical activity. Clove tea can be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy regimen, but is not a standalone solution. 12. Combat urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, are uncomfortable and can disrupt your daily life. They can affect different parts of the urinary system, including the kidneys, bladder, and urethra. Common symptoms include frequent need to urinate, a burning feeling, and cloudy or strong-smelling urine. Clove tea can be an effective tool in fighting UTIs. It prevents the bacteria causing the infection from sticking to the urinary tract walls. The antimicrobial properties of clove tea help in killing the bacteria and reducing the infection severity. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory qualities can ease the pain and discomfort associated with UTIs. 13. Alleviate stress and anxiety. Clove tea has potential benefits in reducing stress and anxiety. Various studies have supported this claim. For instance, a study involving rats showed that clove extract significantly lowered stress hormone levels, enhancing the animal's overall well-being under stress. Another study indicated that eugenol, a key compound in cloves, effectively reduced anxiety symptoms in rats, especially when given in higher doses. Beyond its biochemical effects, the simple act of sipping a warm cup of clove tea can help in relaxing the muscles and promoting a sense of calm and relaxation in the body. 14. Aid in respiratory health. Clove tea can also be beneficial for respiratory health. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe throat irritation and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. This can be particularly helpful for those suffering from coughs, colds, or asthma. The warm steam from the tea can also help clear nasal passages and relieve congestion. Drinking clove tea may provide relief from respiratory symptoms, making breathing easier and more comfortable. 15. Reduce inflammation in the body. The anti-inflammatory properties of clove tea extend beyond joint and respiratory health. This tea can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. By regularly consuming clove tea, you may help your body fight inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of these conditions. Its natural anti-inflammatory compounds make it a beneficial drink for those looking to maintain overall health and reduce inflammation-related discomfort. Are you considering adding clove tea to your routine? This tea is not only healthy, but also offers a unique and enjoyable taste experience. It has a warm, slightly spicy flavor that makes it a great alternative to regular tea or coffee. You can enhance its flavor and health benefits by adding honey, lemon, or ginger. Making clove tea is simple. Just steep a few cloves in hot water for a few minutes. Whether you're looking for a new tea flavor or a natural way to boost your health, clove tea is a great choice. We appreciate your feedback on this information. Please let us know in the comments if you found it useful. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with future videos. If you like this content, don't forget to share it with others. Stay healthy and keep focusing on your well-being.